Alright, what do we have today? Oh, episode 3. Today, Ashley took me to a spot she usually takes Natasha. Rock bottom. Home sweet home. Full disclosure, I've never been here before. I was impressed. Now, what's an episode without a spider web, right? Don't worry, we'll see the spider later. The park was incredibly scenic. I mean, look at these leaves. Speaking of plants, let's jump right into our new favorite segment, Plant Names with Siri. You hear that? My favorite part of the park was easily the large creek. Alright, back to the montage music. Okay, as promised, the spider. Do you see it? No? How about now? How about now? There she is. Alright, class, how do we feel about ants? You know, we haven't seen me in a while, so here I am. And there I go. Okay, class, say thanks to the creek for being very photogenic. Now, for the last bit of our journey, we went over some nice bridges where I was able to get a taste of just how much history this park has. From locked up promises to initials carved on this tree in particular. S and S with the year 41? 42? Either way. And right next to it, a heart with a B and an M. Alright class, that about does it for our time here at Rotary Park. It's beautiful enough to make a homebody such as myself awe and wonder. Thanks for staying after the credits. Here's an alternate shot of our favorite rock bottom sign.